Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine. Okay students, let's start our topic, precious and semi-precious stones. This is the subtopic of rock and soil. What are the gemstones? Gemstones or gem is a piece of mineral crystal which in cut and polished form is used to make jewelry or other adornments. Types of gemstone or a stone. Gemstones are the precious and polished form of stones. The stones which are precious and polished that are called gemstone. Used to make jewelry and other ornaments, we can classify gemstones in a following two types. One is precious and second one is semi-precious. All the gemstones are very precious and rare in its form. It takes millions of years for precious stones to form in nature, and just a small amount of those will ever be discovered, mined, cut and sold as gemstone. This is for your information. Okay students? Precious stone. These are some precious stones: diamond, sapphire, emerald and ruby. Ruby is famous for its red color, and if there is in a question that how you know that diamond is real or not, so real diamond cannot be scratched and cannot be break easily. Okay, it's not scratchable, real diamond. So remember this point. Semi-precious stones. These are some semi-precious stones. You can learn any 3 or 4 which you can easily learn with spellings. Okay. Okay students, these are some birthstones, and please tell me in your comments, in inbox me what is your birthstone. Okay. My birthstone is Opal in October. What is yours? So send me a message, you can comment me and tell me your birthstone. Okay. Okay, this is a short summary. The first is precious and semi-precious stones are rocks or minerals that can be cut and polished to make jewelry. Number 2 point is about a precious stones, that diamond, rubies, emerald and sapphire are precious stone. Turquoise, opal, topaz are example of semi-precious stone. Okay student, this is your copy work. First of all, you will write down the index, then heading of rock and soil, and subheading is precious and semi-precious stone. The first question is, what are the precious and semi-precious stone? Second question, name some precious stones, and then write down name of some semi-precious stones. Students, you can draw the stone on your blank page and write down the name. Okay, and color it according to its color. Like ruby has a red color, you have to draw stone in red color, red. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.